Alright, Baby Mel here, back with my second reaction video. We finna react to this motherfucking. We finna react to the BLP Kosher Jew in the Canoe. BLP Kosher Jew in the Canoe. I seen this nigga, y'all know Babytron? Y'all fuck with Babytron? I fuck with Babytron, I ain't gonna lie. He just did a drop with Babytron the other day, and I seen this shit. But I've been seeing this nigga on my timeline before that though. This nigga got the crazy ass wicks and shit, the crazy ass hair. I was seeing this nigga on my timeline before that. So when he did the drop of Babytron, I was like, oh shit, what the fuck? Made me check this nigga shit out. I listened to the slap with him and Babytron. That shit cool. I fuck with it, you know that. I fuck with it though. But when I heard his song with Babytron, it made me want to go listen to some of his solo shit, some of his shit he got on his own. This nigga kind of funny, bro. His whole look, his whole style is funny as fuck. But he go crazy though, shit. He doing his shit. I fuck with him. This nigga from Florida, I think. So that nigga got the wicks and shit.
I might find me a message in a bottle, kosher. Yeah, I'm gonna route it out. I'm gonna wrap and drive, dandruff out of piece.
Yeah, look at my nigga move. You gotta look at this nigga whole movements, bro.
Message in a bottle, kosher. Yeah, I'm gonna route it out. I'm gonna wrap and drive, dandruff out of
this nigga whole movements, bro.
Let it kick back like an angry horse and make him hit the hay. Spider bite, did all trap the trapper, put me on the plate. They told me I should make it easy this, but I don't fucking play. I serve the crack of cornstarch, cause I don't fuck with ye. 2 days, I call that big Cruella, cause she from the Ville. Stay on track until I hit 100K to make a mill. Kosher pickle, keep a barrel while I'm skating. Jason Dill, kosher pickle, keep a barrel while I'm skating. Jason Dill, make a mill. Kosher pickle, keep a barrel while I'm skating. Jason Dill, kosher pickle, keep a barrel while I'm skating. Jason Dill. We in the cut, get a golf bandit.
Bruh, I low-key fuck with his flow though. Well, he low-key go with it.
We in the cut, get a golf bandit. Pull up on a criminal day like a villain canvas. Llama with a light bulb, make his ass vanish. Alopecia, she say all these other rappers dangerous. That bitch front and notice, she say it's to me though. Truth of the matter is I hop up on like any beat though. Been sleeping on me, I might leave they ass to El Dorado. Or maybe I'll just take the man.
Hey, jit damn near flowing though, blood. Jit damn near flowing.
Or maybe I'll just take the man and shove this to Morocco. Hard walk, he ain't gon' step without his goon. Swashbuckle, then I left the Jew on the canoe. I'm in the suit, Tasha tearing up my suit, tearing my suit.
Oh, it's Jew in the canoe. I'm a retard. I said canal. Jew in the canoe. That's a slap.
That sound fruitful that I'm laughing, see about what this honey do. Hard walk, he ain't gon' step without his goon. Swashbuckle, then I left the Jew on the canoe. I'm in the suit, Tasha tearing up my suit, tearing my suit. That sound fruitful that I'm laughing, see about what this honey do. When I grew up, I'm trying to.
Hey man, if you motherfucker got you some weed, got you some drink, go take you a hit right now. Cause that's what the fuck I'm about to do. Go take you a hit, go take you a sip, something. Put some hair on your chest, boy. Alright, going. Back to this BLP Kosher Jew on the canoe. Not canoe.
I have a jit and be a rat ass. She kicked me out on cycles, had to take the bus from McNabb. I hit it from the back, now she say I'm a pain in the ass. Call it Dennis, when I grow up, I have a whole lot of plural. I got the pull up on the current state, I call it Rick Curl.
Plural.
Mama told me keep the peace, it's a real sick world. I'm trying, I'll punish ops, Debbie Ryan. He won't smoke cause I just burnt the bridge, late rewinding. Hard walk, he ain't gon' step without his goon. Swashbuckle, then I left the Jew on the canoe. I'm in the suit, Tasha tearing up my suit, tearing my suit. That sound fruitful.
I ain't gonna lie, I fuck with this nigga like Yamaka think he got a, I ain't gonna lie. He got like a motherfucking Dolphins little cap on. I don't know what the fuck that shit is, but it fit this nigga. It's like the perfect nigga for that fucking style of hat, I swear.
I'm not to see about what it's time to do. Hard walk, he ain't gon' step without a goon. Swashbuckle, then I let the Jew on the canoe. I'm in the suit, Tasha tearing up my suit, tearing my suit. That sound fruitful, but I'm not to see about what it's time to do.
Yeah, niggas gotta be in motherfucking Miami, Florida, or something. Nigga got the Miami Heat D-Wade jersey on. They got the Dolphins cap on. Yeah, they repping Florida. They got the Wicks. They gotta be from Florida. That's damn near the end of his shit. I ain't gonna lie, I gotta go really watch more of this nigga videos, cause I don't know, I can't really slap him like that right now. I don't know, but he go crazy, then I'll fuck with him. But to really slap his shit, I probably gotta go watch more of his videos, more of his shit he do. Really deep dive into this nigga shit, but he cool though. I fuck with him. And y'all let me know if y'all fuck with this nigga BLP. That nigga down there funny as fuck though, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That nigga funny, but hey. This is only my second reaction video. I'm finna try to do 100 of these motherfuckers. After I do 100 of these motherfuckers, I'm gonna consider myself a real reaction YouTuber. But until I do 100, I ain't doing shit. But hey, let me know how I'm doing. Shit, I accept some feedback, I accept some criticism. Shit, let me know how y'all feel. And I'd rather get a hateful comment than no comment. So shit, hey. Like I said, this is only my second video. I'll do some more of these motherfuckers. Oh yeah, and don't forget, until I blow your mom's a hoe. Hey, we out, gang.